Hey everyone, so in last lecture we talked about continuous random variable, discrete random variable and mixed random variable, and I took some examples as well, but this is just a short lecture on for a practice. Okay, so I'm going to post some questions here to just classify whether they fall into the category of discrete random variable or the continuous random variable. So you can pause the video and you can just comment in the comment section. Okay, so the first question is, we have to count the counting number of students present in a college. So whether this will be fall into a discrete random variable or a continuous random variable. Number of accidents per month happens in certain city. The third example is, what will be the temperature in some city. Fourth question is, length of time to finish a cricket game. The fifth one is, the amount of milk produced yearly by a particular cow. Okay, so just pause the video and answer these 5 questions. I'm going to post a couple of more questions. So here are 5 more. So number of eggs laid each month by a hen, stock price of a company on a single day, the weight of a rice produced per acre, the number of building permits issued each month in certain city, and yeah, counting number of subscribers per month for Dr. Methaholic channel. So these are the 10 questions. You can just pause the video and you can comment what you feel, like 1 discrete, 2 continuous, 3 discrete, like this. Just give a number and say whether it is a discrete or continuous. So yeah, if you have any other doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you, and yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.